What do modern skyscrapers, bridges, and construction cranes have in common with the Great Pyramid of Giza, the Louvre, and the Eiffel Tower? These structures were built in different eras, for different purposes, and using different materials. Yet, all of them incorporate a triangular framework somewhere or the other. Why did the engineers who designed these use triangles instead of squares, rectangles, or any other shape for that matter? As it turns out, this three-sided shape possesses three remarkable properties that make it invaluable in engineering. Let's explore them one by one. The first property is that triangles naturally resist changing shape. They are inherently rigid. To see this in action, let's try a simple experiment. Make a triangle using any rigid material, like ice cream sticks, and use a pin for the joints. Now, try pushing one of its corners. You will notice that its shape doesn't change at all. The triangle stubbornly holds its form. Next, make a square using 4 ice cream sticks connected in the same way. Push one corner again. This time, you'll notice that the square changes its shape quite easily and transforms into a rhombus. What's interesting is that the lengths of the sticks remain exactly the same. Only the angles change because the corners are free to move. In a triangle, however, every corner is locked into place by the other two sides. To change its shape, you must bend, stretch, or break at least one side. Engineers call this property geometric rigidity. These rigid corners protect triangular structures from deformation, making them more stable and durable. But retaining shape is only part of the challenge. A structure must also carry enormous loads without failing. This is another area where triangles excel. The second property of triangles is that they excel at using inherent properties of the materials they are built with. Instead of allowing the materials of these structures to bend, triangular frameworks utilize their tensile properties. To understand this, imagine a square frame made out of a heavy material. As the weight of the structure pushes down on itself, parts of the frame begin to bend. But if we add a diagonal support and divide the square into two triangles, the load is redirected through the sides of the triangles. Some parts are squeezed. This is called compression. Other parts are pulled. This is called tension. As a result, the structure divides the weight of the load through tension and compression rather than allowing the material of the structure to bend. This is a major advantage because many materials perform far better under tension and compression than they do under bending. By combining triangular frameworks with materials suited to these forces, engineers can build structures that are both stronger and more efficient. Remember the first property we discussed? A triangle can only change shape if one of its sides bends, stretches, or breaks. That's why engineers don't just care about how much force a structure carries. They also care about how those forces move through the structure. If too much force concentrates in one location, it can deform or even break a structural member. And that brings us to the third reason triangles are so powerful. The third property is that triangles create clear paths that guide forces safely through a structure. Imagine placing a huge stone block at the very top of a pyramid. What happens to its weight? The force doesn't stay where the stone is. Instead, it distributes through the structure. Part of it moves down one side, while another part moves through other sections until it finally reaches the ground. It's a bit like water flowing through pipes. Engineers call these routes load paths. This is important because when forces cannot travel efficiently through a structure, stress can build up in certain areas and create weak points. Those weak points can lead to cracks, deformation, or even collapse. Triangles excel at preventing this. Their rigid geometry naturally guides forces toward the foundation instead of allowing stress to accumulate in one vulnerable location, allowing it to support heavy loads with less risk of failure. As a result, the structure becomes more reliable and stable. Together, these three properties make triangles one of the most important shapes in structural engineering. What's remarkable is that long before modern engineering formulas existed, builders had already discovered the power of triangles through observation and experience. Today, engineers are still relying on the same simple geometric principle to construct some of the world's largest and most impressive structures. When was the last time you noticed a triangle in the architecture around you? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this story interesting, press the like button and subscribe to Just Learning for more.